So we started off the new semester, so the second semester, winter 2026, yesterday. It was a Monday, and I only had a chemistry lab yesterday, but we're starting chimie de solution, and I did a spectrovis lab, but this time taking consideration of the noise behind, so signal to noise ratio stuff, and about why we use lambda max and when we could use lambda b instead. And then we have to write a report. It's like a shorter one, but there's like 4 or 5 questions in analysis and calculation to show. And then we have to transcribe it with hands. So I did everything on the Word with my partner. And we need to polish it so that it's basically perfect, because apparently this chemistry teacher that I have is very strict with what we write and apparently gives really low grades for labs. That's what I heard from past students. Today I had 5 classes, so it was like a back-to-back 5 classes of 8 hours from 8:30 to 4:30, and 3 of them are just gen ed, so English and French and humanities, but my English teacher, my humanities teacher, my French teacher, for some reason, happen to be all homework givers, so there's so much homework, especially if you want to do perfectly for these homeworks and basically do good for the class. There's a lot of preparations to do, and I feel like more than my science courses, I have gen ed courses that have more workload. So yeah, I'm a bit scared from today's overview. We have lots of readings in all 3 gen eds, and readings in detail, and of course writing, because we have to write essays for basically all 3 classes. And then I had statistical probability and statistics and calculus today for science courses. So it is a 5-course day on my Tuesdays and Fridays, 8 hours without rest, but it's at least gen ed, the majority, so 3 courses gen ed, and there's just 2 are science courses, so it's not too bad. I'd say it's just that there's no rest time, so there's no much of a lunchtime or break in between. Yeah, I'd say I need the extremely good organization this semester, because there's just so much overlapping.